Welcome to the Lumilys Profit Calculator. This calculator will help you in finding out what your extra profit would be for your apples when installing the reflective ground cover Lumilys. You can do this in 3 simple steps. First, you choose your preferred unit. This can be metric or imperial, and if you want, also your location. With Lumilys, we can have 2 effects. We can have yield increase by enhancing blooming, and we can improve the profit by fruit color stimulation. If you need to enhance fruit setting, you fill in yes. If not, you fill in no. Let's assume you expect problems with fruit setting. You fill in yes. Don't forget your email address. You will receive the results by mail. Having done this, you tick Proceed to calculation for the next step. You select your apple variety, let's say Honeycrisp, plus a few figures of your general revenue like what is the premium price of the price of the A+ quality? Shall we go for $50 US? What is the price you get for the industry quality? Let's say $15 US per box. And then what is the expected percentage of the premium quality? Of course, we aim for more than 75%. In the right part, you fill in some data about the field, about the orchard. What surface do you have in mind? Here we go for 20 acres. What would be the expected yield per acre? We presume 40,000. Fill in the row distance and tree spacing. In modern orchards, this would be 11 foot and 3.30 foot for tree spacing. Don't forget to fill in the percentage of unused area. This can be the space where you store your bins or boxes or the access roads. It is usually about 8 to 10%. If you know the number of trees per acre, please fill in. If you don't know, above you will see the theoretical number of trees. The average yield per tree will appear. Now you can already check if this corresponds to your experience or expectations and if the data are filled in correctly. Then we go to step 3, calculate my profit. Here you will automatically see the payback time and the investment cost. Contact your local distributor for a specific offer. Remember, there are 2 effects. If you filled in no at do you need enhancing fruit setting, the effect is 0. If you filled in yes, then there is extra estimated revenue of 5%. The estimated extra revenue because of better coloration is set at 10%. Don't forget that Lumilys can be used several seasons and for different crops in one season, which makes it even more profitable. You can enter different data to simulate other scenarios by clicking on the tab Make New Calculation. Click here to email me the printable report. Feel free to contact us anytime.